Hello, today we will guide you through how to show hidden account on Fusion Markets. In this walkthrough, we will restore a hidden trading account so it shows up alongside your other accounts. Hidden accounts are often tucked away to keep your dashboard tidy, but when you need them back, it only takes a few clicks. I will speak slowly and clearly, and you can pause at any time to follow along. First, head to the Trading Accounts area in your Fusion Markets Hub. This is the central place where all your accounts live, whether they're live or demo. If you're already signed in, look for the Trading Accounts option in your main navigation. Opening this page brings up the list of accounts and the controls you will need. Once the Trading Accounts page is open, click Trading Accounts to load the full account list view. You should see your accounts organized with filters and tabs, making it easy to focus on specific types. This is the workspace where we will make a hidden account visible again. Next, select the demo view. The instructions here focus on revealing a hidden demo account, so switching to the demo section ensures you are seeing the right set of accounts. If you manage several accounts, filtering to demo helps reduce clutter and makes the hidden account easier to locate once it appears. Now look to the top right of the page for the Show Hidden Accounts control. Click it to reveal any accounts that have been hidden from the default list. Think of this as lifting a temporary cover so you can manage accounts that were deliberately tucked away. On some screens, this may appear as a toggle or button. Either way, enabling it will display any hidden entries. With hidden accounts now visible, find the specific account you want to restore. Next to that account, click the three dots, often labeled as More Options or shown as an icon. This opens a small menu with actions for that account. From the menu, choose Make Account Visible. As soon as you select this, the account will return to your standard account list. You should see it alongside your other demo accounts without the hidden status. If you switch away from Show Hidden Accounts later, the restored account will continue to appear normally. That's it. To recap, you went to Trading Accounts, opened the demo view, showed hidden accounts, used the three-dot menu, and made the account visible. If you do not see the expected account, double-check that you are in the demo section and that Show Hidden Accounts is turned on. Thanks for following along.